This is definitely one of my favorite. Just this color pops so well. And this beige that's on the trim, it just goes really well with it. We also work with investors. You see a lot of these look very similar on this lineup right here. If you're an investor, reach out to us. We try to keep our best sellers in stock, of course, but if you don't like a design or you want a specific design, you can always design it under a 3D builder. Let's go see what's going on in the shop today. Yesterday the guys had only 2 bases down of these sheds right here, and now there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of things coming out. This beautiful cabin coming out. I'll do an update once it's finished. Right now it's ready to get roofed. Check out this 8x16 garden shed. I just know it's gonna be beautiful. The board and batten siding just adds such a elegant and timeless detail. And then you have massive garden sheds like this one too. I know this one's gonna go fast. The previous one just lasted like a week on the lot, maybe less. People love this shelving right here, and just a massive garden shed. Keden's working on a pretty big chicken coop right here. Started yesterday with it. It's about to be done. It's gonna be ready to be roofed and painted and then roofed. It's just massive. I'm sure it's gonna be beautiful. Can't wait to see it finished out. Check out this massive run-in shed. This was gonna have the tack room in the middle. The guys are building one right here that comes with the window on the side for the tack room. I love this color combo. Probably one of my favorites. Got some dog kennel action right there, and then more chicken coop buildings.